When I use GoPros at World Cups, the way I set it up is on my helmet. I use a flat sticky mount, just pressed up as hard as I can up here underneath the visor. It's kind of, at a World Cup we have to attach it to the visor, so it's a good spot to put it, just out of the way and just really nice. And this GoPro mount here with the silencer, it's pretty tricky to get up in there, but when you do get it, you put that in, push the silencer, it can't come out, and then this connecting bit is further back. So when you grab the GoPro here, you go and put that in, it's further back and it's out of the way of your vision. Chuck the nice easy bolt in, and then I pretty much just have it resting against the brow of my helmet, tighten it up, she's locked in, it's not going anywhere. When I'm using a GoPro at World Cup races, sometimes it's hard to figure out where the record button is. So it's super easy when you're just in the start gate to use the voice control. It's really good with English, and all you have to say is GoPro start recording. Boom, there you go. Easy as that. GoPro stop recording. No hands. What do I do with my hands? Hope you enjoyed those tips. See you later.